read the next point, adverb of purpose or reason. Have a look. Number 6, adverb of purpose or reason. Adverb of purpose or reason expresses reason, purpose, target behind happening a particular action. Hence, therefore, consequently, are adverb of reason. For example, he therefore left the school. Here, therefore is adverb of reason. Have a look the definition again. Adverb of purpose or reason. Adverb of reason is also known as adverb of purpose, and it expresses reason, purpose, target behind happening a particular action. For example, he therefore left the school. Suppose he was a weak student, he was a poor boy. Therefore he left the school. Number 7, adverb of affirmation or negation. Adverb of affirmation or negation. Adverb of affirmation or negation is an adverb which confirms or denies an action in a sentence. sentence. It is also used to reinforce reinforce the action of verb in affirmation, adverb, like absolutely, surely, definitely. However, in negation, we use can't, don't, never, etc. Adverb of affirmation and negation. Have a look again. Adverb of affirmation. Do you know about affirmation now? Affirmation word is made with affirmative sentence, means simple sentences, or negation means negative sentences. We will use it in negative. No, in this sentence is an adverb which confirm. If your sentence is in affirmative, the sentence confirm, and if your sentence is negative, so it is deny an action in a sentence. It is also used to reinforce, means दबाव डालने के लिए, the action of verb in affirmation, means affirmation में ये अपनी बात को और बढ़ाकर थोड़ा प्रेशराइज करके बात करता है. Like absolutely, you done well, surely and definitely, means these words are used to create or show reinforcement in the sentence in affirmative sentence. However, in negative sentence or in negation, we use can't, don't, never. Have a look example in a sentence. For example, surely she is right. Find out adverb of affirmation or negation. Surely it is used as adverb of affirmation. Have a look second example. I don't know her. I don't know her. Find out which word is your adverb. This one, and it indicate adverb of negation. And now we will read interrogative adverb. Firstly, look the kinds of interrogative adverb. Our next point is interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverb has divided in 6 part, or there are 6 kind of interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverb of time, interrogative adverb of place, interrogative adverb of manner, interrogative adverb of number, interrogative adverb of manner, interrogative adverb of quantity, and last one interrogative adverb of reason. Have a look first one. Interrogative adverb of time. When and how long. How long. When these words are used to ask question, so these words indicate about adverb of time. Now next one is adverb of place. Where and when. When these words are used to ask question, so these words are indicating about place. Indicating adverb of number, we will use the words in question how many, how often, or how many times. How many times. Next is adverb of manner. In what way, in what way, and in what state, in what state. State for asking the question. Now next is interrogative adverb of quantity. How much, how far, and in what degree. In what degree. These words are used to indicate adverb, interrogative adverb of quantity. Now last one, interrogative adverb of reason. Use these words why. You know very well why is used for asking reason why, and wherefore. Wherefore for indicating question adverb of reason. I hope you have understand about it. Now we will read our last kind of adverb, relative adverb. Relative adverb. Relative adverb. Have a look the definition of relative adverb. Relative adverb where, when, why can be used to join sentences or clauses like the relative pronoun they join two sentences together. For examples, I knew the house. I knew the house where she lived. Please tell me the time when you come here. And third one is I don't know the reason why she abused him. Have a look the definition. Relative adverb. Relative adverb where, when and why. These are relative adverb and it can be used to join sentences or clauses. Like the relative pronoun, they join two sentences together. For example, I knew the house where she lived. Here where is used to join two sentences. Now the second sentence is please tell me the time when you come here. Here when is used to join two sentences. Please tell me the time and second sentence is you come here. Now third one is I don't know the reason why she abused him. Here first sentence is I don't know the reason and second one is she abused him and we join two sentences with why. Where we will use for the place, when for time and why for reason. Do you know the difference between interrogative adverb and relative adverb? Interrogative adverb is used for asking question, is used for asking time, for place, reason also. And relative adverb are used to join two sentences with together. Now we will learn the formation of adverb. Formation of adverb. Formation of adverb. Means most of the adverb of manner are formed by adding ly to the adjective. And noun. And to the noun. For example, Have a look. Adjective, adverb. Most of the adverb of manner adding ly filled up a form to the adjective or to the noun. बहुत सारे जो एडवर्ब होते हैं वो या तो एडजेक्टिव से बने होते हैं, एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, या फिर नाउन से. हैव ए लुक. ब्यूटीफुल. ब्यूटीफुल इज योर एडजेक्टिव एंड ब्यूटीफुली इज योर एडवर्ब. केयरफुल is your adjective and carefully your adverb. Slow is your adjective, slowly is your adverb. We learn how to form adverb by noun. Noun and adverb. Suppose month. Month is your noun and monthly is your adverb. Week is your noun and weekly is your adverb. Year is your noun and yearly is your adverb. Second point. Now we will read second point. Some adverb are formed by placing a before noun or adjective. Adverb are formed by a before a noun or adjective. Flame, a flame. Board, long, along. New, a new. Loud, a loud. Back, a back. Student, in this video we have learned how to frame, how to form adverb from adjective and noun. Now next of the important things we will learn in next video. Thank you and have a nice day.